Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. So lesson 20A, part 1, Salah, and this is like a test. What we have done in the course, mashallah. This is the last lesson. First part, a test of what we have learned. Grammar, there will be surface saghir is a test. Okay, alhamdulillah, we have completed the course in this lesson. We will show you that, mashallah, you have already learned 50% of the words of the Quran. And let's take the 5 starting verses of Surah Al-Baqarah. Say with me, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, Alif Lam Mim. Let's identify the words that we have learned. Alif Lam Mim is Alif Lam Mim. Zalika, you know the meaning of Zalika.
ذلك
Means
the book.
Zalika means
ذلك the book.
no. Zalika, this is Zalika.
ذلك الكتاب. This is the book.
Yeah, Zalika means not this. In fact, Zalika has other meaning. This meaning, the meaning, this is just we have done here. Is per content. Yes. So Zalika means that.
ذلك that.
Yes. Hada this.
حاجة this.
Zalika that. Ulaika those.
Those.
Yes. And haulai these.
So like this.
Tilka she. Tilka means that, a girl.
So
And hazihi means
here.
this. I mean a feminine gender.
Here.
And ulaika and haulai is the same. Okay, al-kitab means
The book.
the book. La raib. La means la.
No. No.
Okay, hudan means hudan.
It's guiding.
MashaAllah. So, yes. Correct answers almost. Now we will take the meanings of the remaining new words and do WFW translation, word for word meaning. Alif Lam Mim Dhalikal Kitabu La Rayba Fih Hudan Lil Muttaqin. Alif Lam Mim is Alif Lam Mim. That is the book, no doubt. Fi in it, a guidance for the God conscious. Alladhina.
Those who.
MashaAllah. Yuminuna.
They believe.
You know it. Yes. So bil ghaibi, ghaib.
On sea.
Okay. Wa yuqimuna salata wa mimma.
And they believe.
No,
And
wa
what?
mimma.
And what?
What? Razaqnahum yunfiqun. Okay. Hum them.
From them.
For mashallah. Okay. So this is those who in and prayer. As-salam means the prayer. Okay, those who believe in the unseen and establish the prayer, and out of what we have provided them, they spend. Okay, walladhina again the same word. Walladhina.
Those who.
Walladhina.
And those.
And those. Yes, good. Yuminuna, who believe. Bima. It's done.
What?
Out of what? Okay, bima unzila ilayka. Ilayka means
What they reveals to him.
إليك. To
To
you.
you.
وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِن قَبْلِكَ.
And
Ka means you
before
and
you.
yours. Okay. Min qablika, mashallah, you know the meaning? Before you.
Before
Okay.
you.
To you and okay, so let's do the meaning. And those who believe in what is sent down to you and what was sent down before you. وَبِالْ آخِرَةِ, and in the hereafter. You know, akhirah means as well, mashallah, the hereafter. Whom?
Mm.
They. Yuqinun, firmly believe.
Mhm.
Ulaika ala hudam. Ulaika means ulaika.
And those.
Those. Ala.
They are.
Ala. Ala.
Allah, those. Allah, they are.
There. No. Ala means not there. Something like upon, on, to.
They are the
Okay.
ad,
Hudan.
guiding.
Guidance. Okay. Min.
From.
Mashallah. Okay. Him and whom, same meaning.
Yeah, from their.
Yeah.
From
Him
their-
means them, because it's a part of it's in possessive case. In possessive case, the meaning is them, and if it was whom, if it would be whom, so the meaning will be they.
Yeah.
وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. Okay,
Yeah,
so them and their.
them
Yes, sometime and there. Those are on guidance from their Lord, and those they
and there.
are the successful ones. MashaAllah. Okay, Ayatul Kursi. Allahu Allah. La means
It's God. It's a no.
la, no. Ilah
No.
means
No.
ilah. This one.
But God.
God. Illahu. Illa means
Illa. Only him.
no. Just go word forward. Just you have to say the meaning of illa.
And him.
No. Illa means but. Illa means but. Ilah means God. Okay.
Yes.
La means no. We have done it. Okay. Let's check.
But
Allahu la ilaha illahu. Allah, no God but He. Like Him. Say He. Hayyul Qayyum, the ever-living, the sustainer and protector of all that exists. La ta'khuduhu, does not overtake him slumber and not sleep. Nauman means naum. Sleep. Okay, lahu means lahu. Lahu.
he's the one.
Lahu.
Him.
La and li means li.
Lahu, that.
No. Like if I say hadal kitabu laka. Laka, lakum, li, lana, lahu, lahum. Remember?
It's for him.
Lahu means for him. And ma means
What?
fi.
In.
Okay, mashallah. Samawat,
In the sky.
skies. Ard
Skies.
means ard. Ard.
Out.
This one.
The earth.
This meaning is earth. Illa means
On him.
illa. Just say one word. Illa.
Only.
And yeah, you can say illa. Illa means is but, except,
But.
and something
But.
like.
Okay.
Man
But.
means man. Man means
What?
no. Man. Man anta. Man anta.
But not.
No. It's not that. Man anta. Like man anta. Who are you?
He is the one.
Yeah, who? Man means who.
Yeah. Okay. What is it?
Yes. If I have to ask man anta, who are you?
Who are you?
Then kaifa anta, how are you?
How are you? Okay.
Yes.
Who?
So lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard man dhal ladhi yashfa'u indahu illa bi idhni. To him belongs whatever is in the skies and whatever is on the earth. Who is he that can intercede with him except with his permission? Okay, ya'lamu, we did not learn. Ma, we have done it. Baina aydihim, him.
Ya'lamu, him. He know.
Him means, yeah, ya'lamu, he knows, mashallah. Even we didn't do it, but yeah, you know. Ya'lamu means he knows, and he will know. So him.
What is it? Is his hands.
Him. Yeah, baina aydihim, whatever is in hand. Yes, but him means just him.
Okay. And yet him.
We have done it. Rabbi him.
Baina. What is it?
Him means them and their.
Oh, what?
Okay.
What is?
وَمَا خَلْفَهُمْ وَلَا يُحِيطُونَ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْعِلْمِ إِلَّا بِمَا شَاءَ. Okay, almost. So he knows that which is before them between their hands, and that which is behind them, and they will never encompass anything of his knowledge except that which he wills. Bima sha. Inshallah. You remember inshallah, if Allah wills. وَسِعَ كُرْسِيُّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلَا يَئُودُهُ حِفْظُهُمَا وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ. Encompasses his chair, the heavens and the earth. He feels no fatigue in guarding the preserving both of them, and he is the most high, the supreme. Yeah, we have done it. It was so simple, mashallah. It was a simple test. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so say, may Allah Almighty accept whatever we have done in this course and give us tawfiq to do more and more and increase us in knowledge. Inshallah. Ameen ya Rabb.